Todd Haynes, an American filmmaker, made a comeback to the Cannes Film Festival on Saturday night with his latest melodrama, May-December. Inside the Grand Theatre Lumiere, May-December earned a warm 8-minute standing ovation. With cast members Natalie Portman, Julianne Moore, and Charles Melton in attendance. The deadline specifies that the premiere was over 40 minutes delayed, owing to the late start of the Martin Scorsese Killers of the Flower Moon premiere. According to The Hollywood Reporter, Haynes told the Lumiere audience while standing between Natalie Portman and Julianne Moore, "The making of this film was such a joy. We shot it in 23 days in Savannah. It took everybody's full cooperation to make this possible." He added, according to the deadline, the plot of May-December revolves around two women, Natalie Portman and Julianne Moore, at various phases of their lives. When confronted with a sincere and risky search for the truth from a Hollywood star at the peak of her career, an older star in her 60s who wants it to move on suffers a painful return to the past, the male character, Charles Melton, carefully connects to the two women in the eras. The Guardian describes May-December as a teen's drama that promises more than delivers. This is not Haynes' first time. He's a regular at Cannes. The filmmaker most recent movie here was 2021, Velvet Underground, which screened outside of competition. Thank you for watching. My name is Sanders and I am from 72 Dragons. I will see you in the following video with something more interesting. Till then, stay safe.